guys, so today I'm gonna be playing with this, and this is what the package is look like. If you want to know, it's called alien glue, and you can basically blow into it. So I'm super excited. Let's get started. So there's like a little alien there, and the slime is pink. I like pink. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let me try to take this alien out. Look at the slime. Okay, let's try to blow it. Okay, so we're just gonna poke the hole in it. And we're just gonna... Look at how big that was. That was so big. Let's do it with the alien in it. Okay, I put the alien in there now. See, the alien? Okay, so now we're gonna do it. So, just gonna poke it and surround it with the slime. And let's see if we can do this. We probably can't because the alien head is sticking out. So let's try this one more time. His whole body is like sticking out of the slime. Okay, we're gonna make it like that. Okay, so now we're gonna poke it. Oh. It doesn't work with the alien inside of it. So let's take this alien out. Okay. Now it's... Okay, 3, 2, 1. It just popped on me. No, it's getting so light. Okay, thumbnail. Okay. It's like I have like... What was that? Okay. Come on now. Oh my god. Okay. If you guys are wondering what the price is, it's actually $4.06. So yeah. And I got it from the public store. The public grocery store. And it's like one of those cartons by the food. So yeah, it's like gonna be like hanging up. It will be like in Walmart and stuff. 3, 2, 1, poke. Okay. Come on. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, there you go. Now let's... That's so big.
Girl! How you do that?
That's so big.
How did you do it?
I blowed it. Oh my god.
I want to see you do that again.
Okay. You want to try?
Yeah.
Come on.
Show me how to.
Okay, so... Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to... So you're going to poke it. And then you're going to like surround it with the stuff. And then you're going to...
Okay. I got it. Okay.
Wait, let me do something. Okay, so... Here.
Okay. Okay, now surround it with it. Is this good?
Yeah. Don't like hold it. Don't hold it while you're like doing it. Like do. Take it. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let me do it. Let me. Okay, so. Ooh. Yeah. Now blow. You did it! She did it, guys. Okay, so that was all for the video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.